Really bad YouTube advice. You should have a channel schedule.
Brian G. Johnson.
Hey, it's me, Brian G. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. And if you want to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message by subscribing. Click on the bell notification and you'll be on your way. Okay, let's be very clear here. I am not saying you should not have a channel schedule. In fact, I believe a channel schedule is very important and something we should all strive for. However, that's not what this video is about. Nope, this video is about the fact that a lot of YouTubers are getting this idea of having a schedule when it's really not the thing they should be focused on. It's complicated on YouTube, right? There's all the things, the thumbnails, the playlist, the SEO and titles and meta description and the tags, and I haven't even gotten to the cameras. Statistically speaking, there are a multitude of different camera settings here on this camera that you can use and implement. The fact of the matter is learning how to operate one of these things takes a bit of time and energy. And that brings us back to getting started, being new here on the platform, and trying to make sense of all the things.
All the things.
Nick Nimmin, Dan Brock, and myself, we didn't have channel schedules when we started. We really just focused on making good videos and publishing often. Now here's what's up. If you want to grow, if you're just getting started, I believe you gotta publish at least like a video a week. So that would be 4 videos in 1 month. But what I want to suggest today is don't get hung up on a specific day. And here's why. If you like I publish on Tuesday, at that point, you might have a video done on like Friday and you're waiting to publish, which means you actually could have published 5 videos in that particular month rather than 4 because you're waiting. And sometimes you're rushing to meet your publishing deadline. And at the end of the day, it's a small percentage of the videos a creator will publish that actually grow their channel. Figure it's 10 to 20% of the videos. So you release 10 videos and maybe 1 or 2 of those videos actually grow your channel. So doesn't it make more sense to spend a little bit more time on a video and maybe release it on a Wednesday? Heck, I just did that recently and it turned out well for me. I published a video on ignoring the algorithm, took a bit more time in the edit, and it paid off. And you know what? When you don't have a schedule, you can publish more videos, and that's the path to improving your quality very quickly. If you want to grow fast on YouTube, forget about the schedule early on. Publish a boatload of videos and always be asking, hey, what can I improve in my videos? Speaking of growing fast on YouTube, here's the easiest way to do just that. Check out the video in the YouTube card right now. And if you want to drive those views and gain subscribers, make sure to subscribe. Click on the yellow B to the G icon below. You'll subscribe. I'll continue to share the strategies and tactics that have allowed me to grow, and you'll feed a poodle. I got 2 and they're hungry. I'll see you next time. You dig?